Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a man named Jack. Jack was an ordinary man with big dreams and aspirations. He had a deep desire to make a difference in the world and leave a lasting impact. However, life hadn't been kind to Jack. He had faced numerous setbacks and failures that made him doubt his abilities and question his purpose. One gloomy day, as Jack sat under a tree, feeling disheartened and lost, an old wise man passed by. Sensing Jack's despair, the wise man approached him and said, "My son, I see the weight of your dreams and the burden of your disappointments. But remember, true strength lies in rising after every fall." Intrigued, Jack asked the wise man for guidance. The wise man smiled and shared a story of his own struggles. He spoke of the challenges he had faced throughout his life and how he had never given up. He told Jack that setbacks were merely stepping stones on the path to success, and the key to unlocking his potential lay within himself. Inspired by the wise man's words, Jack decided to change his perspective. He understood that failures were not indications of defeat, but opportunities for growth and learning. He realized that success was not an overnight phenomenon, but a result of perseverance, resilience, and an unwavering belief in oneself. With a newfound determination, Jack embarked on a journey of self-improvement. He devoted himself to acquiring new skills, expanding his knowledge, and honing his talents. Every obstacle he encountered became a chance for him to prove his resilience. Every setback became an opportunity for him to reassess and improve his strategies. Over time, Jack's efforts started to bear fruit. He began to achieve small victories, which fueled his motivation even further. With each success, his confidence grew, and he set his sights on even bigger goals. Jack realized that his dreams were within reach, and he had the power to turn them into reality. Years passed, and Jack became a shining example of perseverance and determination. People from all around admired his story and looked up to him for inspiration. Jack had become the embodiment of the wise man's words, the strength to rise after every fall. Today, Jack continues to pursue his dreams, never allowing fear or failure to hold him back. His story serves as a reminder to everyone that no matter how many times life knocks you down, true success comes to those who keep getting back up, dust themselves off, and forge ahead. So, my friend, remember Jack's tale whenever you feel discouraged, and let it ignite the fire of motivation within you to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching this video. Take care, and see you soon.